India may soon replace car horns with tabla flute sounds. Race Y Union Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari has revealed plans to bring in a law that could make vehicle horns sound like Indian musical instruments. Instead of the usual loud honks, drivers may soon hear the gentle tunes of instruments such as the flute, tabla, violin, and harmonium on the roads, as per India Today. While speaking at an event, the minister also pointed out that the transport sector is a major contributor to air pollution, nearly 40% of it. To fix this, the government is strongly encouraging the use of green and biofuels such as methanol and ethanol in vehicles. This is part of the Modi government's push for a cleaner, healthier India. While talking about sustainability, Gadkari also praised India's booming automobile industry. He shared that in 2014, the industry was worth Rs 14 lakh crore. Today, it has grown to Rs 22 lakh crore. India has also overtaken Japan to become the third largest car market in the world, just behind the USA and China. According to the Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers (SIAM), India's passenger vehicle PV segment has hit a new record. Nanan swipe left for next video. This surge was mainly due to the growing popularity of utility vehicles UVs in both Indian and overseas markets. SIAM says this growth is mainly due to strong global demand for India-made cars, especially from Latin America and Africa. Interestingly, some Indian car makers are now even sending vehicles to developed nations. Latest blogs.